Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your phone and car head unit for aptX low latency or AAC support. Once done, remove interference by turning off other Bluetooth devices and briefly disabling Wi-Fi on your phone. Now reboot both devices and forget existing pairings so you start clean. This immediately eliminates old handshake problems. After reboot, keep phone close, within 1 meter, and avoid USB chargers that can introduce noise. You're ready to repair with a clean slate and optimal conditions for low latency. You now force the best audio codec. Open Developer Bluetooth settings on your phone and select aptX low latency or AAC if the car supports it. Once selected, put the head unit into pairing mode and connect. Accept any prompts to prioritize that codec. If your phone or head unit won't negotiate a low-latency codec, plug in a compact aptX LL Bluetooth transmitter into the car AUX or use USB audio/wired connection to guarantee negligible delay. This step is where latency is actually reduced. You finish by testing playback. Play a short video and watch lips versus sound to measure delay. If you still hear lag, close background apps, lower Bluetooth sampling conflicts, and reposition the phone away from chargers or high noise sources. Make small tweaks, reselect codec, reboot the head unit, or try a different media app. If delay persists despite aptX LL negotiation, the only reliable final fixes are using wired USB audio, or installing an aptX low latency transmitter, or replacing the head unit. That solves residual latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.